Hi guys, Aaron from Sedge in Spalding. I'm here today at number 2 Riverbank, a riverfront property which we are proud to bring to the market. Following the success of the Spalding Water Day, I said I'm a big believer in Spalding's river being an underutilised asset for the town, and we were proved correct. People turned out and it was fabulous. Have a look at this. We really did have the old crew out. I'll see you guys next Tuesday. There they are, taking that on. And with that, I'm proud to present 2 Riverbank.
Hey, 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 sister.